Hi everyone, I was asked today to conquer a problem known as the sample space problems that usually include spinners in the curriculum. So I'm going to go ahead and try to conquer this as best as I can. So first and foremost, we have two spinners. And what the question is going to ask, it says we have an experiment where we have two spinners. They want us to represent the sample space for this experiment and how many of these outcomes will be both green and an A. Okay, so as you see, we have 2 greens over here out of the 4 wedges and 3 A's out of the 6 wedges. Now, first and foremost, we're going to solve it the way that you and I would have probably learned how to solve it. So what we know first is we're looking for the probability that we're going to land on a green and the probability that we're going to land on an A. Okay, so we know, as I stated earlier, that there's 2 greens out of 4 wedges. So we have 2 over 4 for the probability there. And then over here, the probability for A, we have 3 A's out of 6 wedges. So we're going to go ahead and multiply this together. So we know that 2 times 3 gives us 6. 4 times 6 gives us 24. So this top number 6, there are 6 possibilities or outcomes that consist of both green and A out of the sample space of 24, which the sample space is every possible outcome. So there's 24 of a sample space and 6 of them would consist of a green and A. Now that's how you and I would do it. Now this is how they're going to ask you to do it. And you'll know that because they'll leave a humongous space below the picture of these spinners because that's really environmentally friendly on paper. Okay, so here we go. What we're going to do is your child then is going to have to actually write out the sample space, and this is what they want you to do. They want you to represent it physically. So we're going to start it with a green A. So we're just going to put a G and an A. Then we have green B. Then we have green A. And then we have green B again. And then we have green A. And then the last one, we have a green C. So that's the first line. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the yellow and go yellow A, yellow B, yellow A, yellow B, yellow A, and finally that yellow C. Okay? Now we're going to go on to this green, and we're going to go back around the same. It's going to be a pattern, you'll see. So we have green A, green B, green A, green B, green A, green C. And now we have red. So we're going to do red A, red B, red A, red B, red A, and finally we have that red C. Now we're going to circle all the ones that have the green and the A in them. Okay? So we have green A, green A, green A, green A, green A, green A, and that looks like it. So there's our answer that we got earlier, that's 6. We have 6 possible combinations of green and A out of 24 total. So that's our sample space, and there's our 6 as our answer. So parents, that's how you would write this out with your child and solve this problem. I hope that helps.